The Boat of Charon, created by José Benlliure in 1919, measures 103 by 176 centimeters and is housed in the Museu de Belles Arts de Valencia. In this haunting depiction, Benlliure captures a poignant moment from Greek mythology, illustrating the passage of souls across the river Styx into the underworld. The atmosphere is filled with an unsettling tension as we see an aged Charon, clad in tattered robes, using his pole to navigate the dark waters while ferrying lost souls to their ultimate fate. The sky looms ominously, while the boat carries figures that display various degrees of despair and resignation. Some souls are draped in white, quietly accepting their fate, while others are depicted in agonizing distress, desperately reaching out for the boat and pleading for passage. In the depths of the water, half-submerged figures claw at the air, their wide eyes reflecting sheer terror. These are souls who perhaps could not pay Charon's toll. To the right, a tortured spirit raises his arms in a final, hopeless bid for escape. Behind the boat, ghostly figures swirl in a spectral storm, perhaps representing souls lost to oblivion. In Greek mythology, Charon serves as the grim ferryman of Hades, responsible for transporting the deceased across the Styx, or sometimes the Acheron. This dark and treacherous river separates the realm of the living from that of the dead. Tradition holds that only those who received proper burials and had a coin, known as an obolus or danaki, placed beneath their tongue could afford Charon's fare to cross into the afterlife. Those without payment are condemned to wander the riverbanks for all eternity, forgotten and restless. Charon himself is a chilling figure, ancient, skeletal, and indifferent to the suffering of his passengers. He does not judge souls, he simply ensures their journey is completed. Upon reaching the far shore, their destinies will then be determined by Hades, Persephone, and the judges of the dead, Minos, Rhadamanthus, and Aeacus. Some souls will be welcomed into the Elysian fields for a blessed afterlife. Others are destined for the Asphodel Meadows, where they will exist in a ghostly, dreamlike state, while the wicked face punishment in Tartarus, a place of eternal torment. Like, share, and subscribe to Decipher Art to keep the legacy of human art alive.